Hi there, it's Sam at Rove Motorhomes in Gunthorpe, and today we're going to do you a manager's special for this week. Today we've got the Auto Trail Tribute T736, beautiful motorhome. It's done less than 10,000 miles, got lots and lots of extras like dual solar systems. We've got a wind out awning as well, reversing camera, bike rack big enough for 4 bikes, so lots and lots of stuff going on. Today we're going to do the manager's special. The van's currently online, it's been reduced to 49,999. And what you're going to receive is a 3-year complimentary MB&G extended guarantee. So nothing to worry about for 3 years. The van's going to come serviced. It's going to have the cam belt changed for you, and it will come with 12 months MOT. Let's go and have a look around. So as you can see, it's a beautiful motorhome, perfect family van. It's a 6-berth, 6-belt motorhome, overcab bed at the front. You've got the end lounge, which converts into the end bedroom very easily as well. It takes a matter of seconds to do so. So you've got plenty of space for all the family in this motorhome. Lots of other exciting features like the separate toilet and shower cubicle, which is a very desirable feature for a lot of different people out there on the market. Like I say, we've got the reverse cameras, bike racks, awnings, nothing to worry about. Just to reiterate, it's going to come with 3 years MB&G warranty, so nothing to worry about for 3 years. It's 49,999, and we've just decided that the first person who comes along and buys this motor is going to receive 1 year's road tax as well. All sorted, nothing to worry about. This is this week's manager's special.